Alright, I want to show you how to make a graph using two variables of data to plot on a spreadsheet. First, open up a new Google Sheet on your Google Drive. Your X variable in this case is going to be time in units of seconds. That'll be your first column. Your Y variable is going to be change in position or displacement in units of meters on your y-axis, and you're gonna enter your data. I'm gonna show you with some artificial data, 1, 2, 3, 4, then I'll jump to 7, 8, and let's pretend that at time 0 the displacement was at 0. Time 1 second you were 2 meters away, 4 meters away, 6 meters away, 8 meters away, and you see the pattern. Now, to create a trend with the scatter plot, first highlight the data, highlight all the cells including the headers. Second, insert into a chart. The default chart editor gives you a column chart. Select from the chart editor till you find scatter. We will almost always use a scatter plot. Then choose customize in the chart editor. You can change the chart and axes titles, but mine already says time in seconds on the x-axis, the displacement in meters on the y-axis, and there's a nice title with the scatter plot, so it's unnecessary. The series of data, if you expand that and open it up, you want to add a trend line. And when you plot your trend line, you should notice that it appears linear, so linear is the default, which is good. And to label it, you can ask for it to use an equation, which will be point slope form. Now, when you're in the graph, you can choose to copy the chart and paste it into your own lab document. That's what you'll be doing, copying and pasting. This chart, if you look at it carefully on a large window, you can move to its own sheet before copying it, and you can interpolate the data, estimate the values in between the points, or extrapolate the data by estimating the values outside. The equation is in point slope form, so 2x plus 0, 2 is the m, 0 is the b, this is mx plus b form.